Why flat pack versus custom is the wrong question. This is how most people think. Flat pack equals cheap. Custom equals expensive. But it's oversimplified. Flat pack is just how it's supplied, not how it's designed. Custom is about sizing and fit, not how it's delivered. You can have custom flat pack cabinetry designed to your exact dimensions, delivered ready to assemble. So the better question is, standard sizes or made to measure? That's what actually impacts. Fit, function, and final result. Custom flat packs, direct. Create a free account and plan smarter at packetflat.com.au.